Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rima, Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor, making your home buying and selling journey stress-free. Today, I'm here at a new construction 1-acre home site building right here in a hot city called Leander, Texas. Stay tuned until the end of the video and I will let you know what this model home can cost. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a model that I'm in here. It's a Scott Felder Home models. This one is a Bulverde plan. We're going to be looking at a base square footage of 3,750 square footage. We can go up to 4,600 square footage. You can build lots of additional rooms in here. It's, like I said, 1-acre site. And this specific model home has 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, a study, a flex room, a casita, and a game room. So I'm excited to show you guys what this model home has to offer. It has been a very popular floor plan. So if you're interested in this model or wanting to get more information on how to build it right here in Leander, Texas, comment below and I'll get you guys those additional details.